I have 3 clips here on the timeline of Premiere Pro 2020, and I want to delete the audio of all of them. So I have this one, that one, and that one. One method to delete the audio is to right click on it and go to unlink, then selecting just the audio and press delete on the keyboard, and the audio is gone. But I don't want to do this for each and every clip, so let's undo it 2 times. Okay, and to delete the audio of all of the clips because they are useless, they sound like that, come here to the left side of that audio, let's say there, right click. It has delete tracks in plural, but we don't need that one, but delete track in singular. So delete track and all of them will be gone, only the video part will remain. So delete track and it's gone. So I'm left only with this music.